Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. We are reading chapter number 2 from First Flight. Very important chapter by Nelson Mandela. Long Walk to Freedom. We have studied the topic before you read, and in box Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. We have understood also an activity in column A are some expressions you will find in the text. Make a guess and match each expression with an appropriate meaning from column B. I think you tried to solve it, but we have no any message and idea about that you are doing or not. But I mean to say you should try to solve it. Through that power, your writing power will be improved. Now, today we shall discuss the chapter, the topic, and I think you have learnt the word meaning of it. So it is started from the first para. This is the beginning. 10th May dawned bright and clear. It was the time of May, and on 10th May the day was very clear and bright. For the past few days I had been pleasantly beside by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respect before the inauguration. I had pleasantly, मैं खुश था, for the past few days मतलब कुछ दिनों से मैं खुश था, बीते हुए कुछ दिनों से. Besides, by means to be surrounded closely, to be surrounded closely. Dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respect, जो आ रहे थे pay their respects before the inauguration. Inauguration means समारोह. उनके समारोह के सम्मान में जो रिस्पेक्ट पे करना है उनको. The inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soils. अभी तक के साउथ अफ्रीकन सॉइल्स में पर इतना बड़ा जो है सो गैदरिंग कभी नहीं हुआ था. In the history of South African soil. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union buildings in Pretoria. Amphitheater means a building without a roof with many rows of seats rising in steps, typical of ancient Greece and Rome. A building without a roof. एम्फीथिएटर में जो है सो सेरेमनी को होना था और इसका मतलब होता है अ बिल्डिंग विदाउट अ रूफ, मतलब एक ऐसा बिल्डिंग जिसके ऊपर छत नहीं हो, रूफ नहीं हो, विद मैनी रोज, लेकिन उसमें कतार बहुत हों, ज़्यादा हों, ऑफ सीट्स राइजिंग इन स्टेप्स, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग उसमें बैठ सकें। फाउंड बाय द यूनियन बिल्डिंग, किसके द्वारा बनाया गया? यूनियन बिल्डिंग्स के द्वारा। कहाँ? इन प्रीटोरिया। कहाँ बनाया गया? प्रीटोरिया में। अंडरस्टैंड? 4 decades this had been the seat of white supremacy. Decades means दशक, दशकों से, decades it is decades, दशकों से ये सीट जो था सो किसका था इस पर? वाइट सुपरमेसी, मतलब गोरों का राज था। किसका राज था? गोरों का। And now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. But अभी इस समय जो गैदरिंग थी वो पूरा इंद्रधनुष की तरह थी, ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स, और उसमें विभिन्न तरह के लोग बाग थे जिनका कलर डिफरेंट तरह का था। एंड नेशंस, डिफरेंट नेशंस के लोग थे। फॉर द इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका, मतलब साउथ अफ्रीका में, मतलब फर्स्ट डेमोक्रेटिक नॉन रेशियल गवर्नमेंट के लिए जो समारोह बुलाई गई थी, जो समारोह अरेंज किया गया था, उसमें सभी लोगों को बुलाया गया था। नॉन रेशियल गवर्नमेंट मतलब ऐसी गवर्नमेंट जो नस्लवाद, रंग भेद के ऊपर टिप्पणी ना करते हों, that is known as non-racial government. On that lovely autumn day, this was the time of lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Janani. On the podium, Mr. D. Clerk was first sworn in as second deputy president. Then, on that lovely autumn day, मतलब उस दिन I was accompanied by my daughter Janani, मैं अपने डॉटर जिसका नाम जनानी था उसके द्वारा क्या किया गया? accompanied किया गया। On the podium, Mr. D. Clerk was first sworn. पोडियम के ऊपर सबसे पहले मिस्टर डी क्लर्क ने क्या किया? शपथ खाई। इन एज सेकेंड डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट, इन एज सेकेंड डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट, देन थैबो बैकी was sworn in as first deputy president. थैबो बैकी जो है सो फिर शपथ ली, किसके रूप में? पहले डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट के रूप में। When it was my turn, और फिर मेरी बारी थी। I pledged to obey and uphold the Constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the Republic and its people. I am very, very happy to see the happiness of the people. And I was totally determined to obey and uphold the Constitution. I was devoted myself to the well-being of the Republic, कि कंट्री को हम हर हालत में बनाएंगे, संवारेंगे, यहाँ के लोगों को सारा सुख सुविधा देंगे. That kinds of thought in his brain. In great leader, to the assembled guest and the watching world, I said, किसको उन्होंने संबोधित किया? Well-being of the Republic and its people. देश के लोगों को धन्यवाद जो दूर दराज से आए गेस्ट हैं, असेंबल्ड गेस्ट, और जो वॉचिंग वर्ल्ड मतलब जो हमें देख रहे हैं, दे आर ग्रेट. I said, that means who said? Nelson Mandela said. Today all of us do by our presence here. Confer glory, confer means give, and hope to newborn liberty. Liberty means freedom. हम सब कुछ करने के लिए तैयार हैं, देने के लिए तैयार हैं, एंड होप और आशा है न्यू बॉर्न लिबर्टी की नई आज़ादी मिलेगी. आउट ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी ह्यूमन डिजास्टर दैट लास्टेड टू लॉन्ग मस्ट बी बॉर्न अ सोसाइटी ऑफ विच ऑल ह्यूमैनिटी विल बी प्राउड. ऑल दिस fact, all this political part, Nelson Mandela decided for the nation of South Africa, because the nation is already ruled by white supremacy, and the people of this country who is belonging from white was totally free, and on the other hand the blackish were very very sad, because the rules and regulation, the system and the politics were not suited to the black. So great occasion in the history of South Africa, great occasion and great ceremony on South African soil. It was held and occurred on African soil, and ceremony took place on amphitheater. It was so great, and I think Nelson Mandela had faced a lot of problems, a lot of difficulties in the areas of politics, and one ambition he had, and through the determination and through his potential, he was totally determined how to set up my goal and maintain all those bad patches of the country which is already ruled by the white supremacy, and how I will become a great leader for South Africa, and all the people who is living in the African soil will be totally free and become fearless. That means no any foundation will be. So I mean to say, this was the great thought of Nelson Mandela, and long walk to freedom, and slowly it was a great thought, and which is already thought by the Nelson Mandela for the people of the South African nation, South African soil. Today all of us do. आज हम लोग जो है सो सब कुछ करेंगे बाय आवर परसेंस हेयर, मतलब हमारे उपस्थिति में, कॉन्फिड ग्लोरी एंड होप, हमारे पास आशा है, मुझे आशा है दैट टू न्यू बॉर्न लिबर्टी, लिबर्टी मीन्स फ्रीडम, की नई आज़ादी का जन्म हो गया है और नई आज़ादी जन्म ले ली है. सो I mean to say, you will have to read the text and learn word meaning. Otherwise, you will feel a lot of trouble in this lesson, in this chapter. And page number 18 and page number 19, I will describe in next class. So firstly, you will have to read from today to page number 19, that system had been. Okay. Thanks.